Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you doing? I hope you are doing great. If you are new, my name is Lizzie. You are welcome to my channel. If you have not yet subscribed, please just hit that subscribe down below. Turn on your notification. Anytime I upload a video, you will be notified. So today, we are going to be installing eyelashes, lashes to impress. So yeah, we are going to be seeing the lashes to impress today, and we need tools. The tools we need the chisel. What is it called? I don't know what is it called. Clip, yeah. And this to brush it up, to brush the natural eyelashes up. So I will be using dark glue. Dark glue. So this is the glue I have, but glue come inside. I believe glue is inside, but I'm not going to be using that glue. Yeah, glue is inside. I prefer using this dark glue. So I just turn a little bit here. This one come in theory like this. So this one is done. I think I'm going to leave it like this. I'm not going to do too much so that it will not look not too natural, and so that it will not be too full. Even when you look under, there is not even space. If I put in this side, it's going to be poking me. I will not feel comfortable. This row, left one. full, like it's not too full and it's not too long. It's not that long one, it's just like natural on. So here I can close my eye, I can blink, it's dry. I can press it with my hand. It's very easy, but if you want to do it, you have to careful for your eye. You have to careful. It's not too long. I use full, like one pack, one for one eye, then the other one for one eye. So I still have up to 2 packs. Yeah, so I'm free. Yes, upside.
Mommy.
Thank you so much for watching, and bye.